China was back buying more U.S. old crop corn on Thursday, 25.2 million more bushels, representing the third big buy this week. And that continues to keep corn in the green, as Michelle Rook tells us in Markets Now.
Mixed closes in Thursday in grain and livestock futures trade. Risk management commodities. Chuck Shelby is joining us. And we did have outside markets kind of stabilize on Thursday, Chuck, so that helped out parts of the commodities sector. Do you think we've kind of run our course in terms of the fear with the banking situation?
It seems to have subsided, and markets did stabilize. We saw the bean market make a big plunge early, but it came back pretty nicely. And obviously, the elephant in the room would be China and their 3-day purchases. They think the price is right, and I think that's a very important positive going forward.
Yeah, do you think that the corn market would have seen this kind of recovery without help from the China business, or were you disappointed we didn't see a bigger recovery because of it?
Well, I think considering that the funds were liquidating so much and negativity that surrounded the outside markets, I think it's a positive to see the corn close in good positive territory. We repelled out of some lows we needed to. Bull spreads are working, which is always a good sign. And if China comes around and buys some more, I think going forward in the USDA reports, remember they dropped exports pretty dramatically. We sold about 80 million bushel in 3 days. So that's a pretty big number going forward. Some more of that. Maybe we can build on this and work higher into the end of March and first part of April.
Yeah, you would think USDA might have to make some export adjustments going forward. Because of the bull spreads working like you talked about here on Thursday, do you think we're likely that there is more export sales that are going to be announced?
Well, I think it's a two-part story. I think the exports will come around and we'll see some more of that. But farmer selling has really dried up here. So farmers have stopped selling. I think another component of that is we're going to get into fields here hopefully in a month or so. And so farmers traditionally don't like to move grain once they're into the planting season. So a couple of positives going forward. Maybe we can build on it from here. It's certainly been a massive break, and it takes a little bit of time to build confidence in markets so that we can resume an uptrend.
Okay, let's hope that happens. Thanks so much for joining us, Chuck Shelby with Risk Management Commodities. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.